Hi, I'm Jared. I'm a pharmacist here at Strive Pharmacy, and today I'll be showing you how to properly use and store your Topi-CLICK. Each Topi-CLICK can hold up to 30 grams of medication and includes a marked refill line to make it easy to know when it's time to request your next refill. When the medication reaches the line below the word refill, you'll have about 32 clicks remaining. When the medication sits above the word refill, there are about 12 clicks left. To get started, hold the device upright and remove the cap. Twist the base until you hear a click. Each click delivers a measured dose of 0.25 grams, also called a quarter of a gram. After twisting, let the device sit upright for 15 to 30 seconds. This allows the medication to fully dispense to the top. Apply the medication directly to the affected areas, exactly as prescribed by your provider. Typically, this medication is applied to clean, dry, thin-skinned areas. A few common thin-skinned areas are the inner elbows, behind the knees, and the inner thighs. You want to make sure you don't apply to any broken skin, like cuts, burns, unless your provider specifically instructed you to do so. When applying your medication, you can think of the Topi-CLICK almost like a deodorant stick. It's designed to evenly distribute the medication for you. Once applied, allow the medication to fully absorb and dry before you cover the area up with clothing. When you're done, take a moment to check the top of the device. If needed, you can gently wipe it clean with the tissue or paper towel, then replace the cap securely. If any medication gets on your hands, be sure to wash them right away. Store your Topi-CLICK in an upright position, away from heat, moisture, and direct sunlight, and always keep it out of reach of children and pets. A few troubleshooting tips. If the medication doesn't dispense right away, there may be a small amount of trapped air inside the device. To fix this, hold the device upright and gently tap it on a flat surface. Then, remove the cap and twist the base until an even amount of medication dispenses. Wipe away any excess medication, and your Topi-CLICK is ready to use. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at strivepharmacy.com.